Just a quick video on how to remove the bottom cover of a Thinkpad T480 and T470 laptop. This should also be the same for the T440, T450, and T460, but they do have slightly different bases. First thing you want to do though is remove the battery. And you want to make sure you have a number 1 screwdriver, just kind of as a size reference there. It's fairly big screwdriver when it comes to like precision screwdrivers. If you use a smaller screwdriver, you'll end up stripping out the heads of your screws and you won't be able to get your base off, but I've loosened these just to save time. But there's 3 screws along the back, 2 screws in the middle, and then 3 screws around the front for a total of 8. And you want to make sure this screw in the middle is loose because this bar is part of the base, and if you don't loosen that screw, you'll end up ripping that bar off, which I haven't done, but other people have. And I kind of like to start semi-middle. I'll just use my fingernails a lot of times. Get under there and pop this off like so. Kind of work my way around. And usually I'll get stuck here. That one is really hard to get loose. So I'll kind of work back around this way. Normally this would be down. I managed to pop it already, but if it's down and you're having problems, what I've found is you put your thumbs like on the base and just kind of pry up towards you on the plastic, because that'll kind of lift and rotate it towards you. But same here. I think it's already loose though. Almost. Ouch. These do pinch a little. And you don't want to start with the front because the front clips are very fragile, and this is designed to hinge up towards you from the back. So you got these 2 spots here where the battery bay clips are. What I found is the easiest is you put your thumbs somewhere in the middle of the base and your fingers near that little nub, and you lift up with the fingers and push down with the thumbs. Same deal here. And hopefully at this point this side should cooperate. This side's kind of hit or miss because of the port layout, but sometimes when you're buying replacement batteries, you'll get one of these plastic spatulas, and you can use that to help pop this loose. There we go. These are not very easy to work with. Now, I got it most of the way loose. You don't want to like rip this off diagonally though, because that will also damage the clips. So once you get the sides pretty much all the way, I like to set the laptop flat. I'll lift it up from the back. I'll kind of feel for it. Oh no, it feels like something's hanging still. Oop, I guess I didn't loosen all the screws. But then from there, you just kind of lift it up like this towards you, back first. And as you can see, those little plastic washers are what hold the screws in place. But yeah, these clips along the front here are really prone to breaking. When you reinstall this, what you want to do is you want to have the base at an angle like this, and you want to push it, make sure it's aligned correctly and there's no gap. Once you get it like that, you want to keep pressure on the front, keep it aligned as you push this down. And then I just kind of spread out in random spots. Get it most of the way, and I'll check, make sure that this has got an even seam. If it doesn't, you're not going to want to squish it down because that will break the tabs. So if this isn't lined up, you're going to want to take the cover off again and then reattach it. But if it is, once you've gotten it good, just go around, push along the edges, make sure everything's locked down, and then I will show screwing it down. Basically, you just kind of go through here, screw it down. I start from the front, work my way back. Doesn't matter so much with the unscrewing since you're not worried about pressure. The pressure doesn't have to be even, but they do go back together nicer if you start with the front. then I'll usually double check, make sure that the battery bay is seated properly, because if this is lifted up, and you try to reinstall your battery, well, I don't have it lifted up high enough, but if it's not seated all the way down, your battery won't go in properly. But yeah, otherwise, laptop's kind of dirty, needs to be cleaned and refurbished still, but hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.